Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a video, and today we're going to be doing a line of sight flight for this brand new Emax BabyHawk R Pro 4-inch edition. So you've probably seen the older Emax BabyHawk, and then they had the BabyHawk R, and then they had the BabyHawk R Pro, and now is the newest in the R Pro line. They've gone from a 2-inch to a 2.5 inch to a 3-inch, and now they have this 4-inch quad here. So the frame is pretty similar. You can see it actually has this cool sort of red camo detailing on the carbon there. It does use boomerang arms. It is not a monoplate. You can see there are two plates in the center. We have the brand new Emax Mini Magnum 3 stack, which is supposed to be the latest and greatest from them. We have the pretty same, it's a RCAddict camera in there. We just have a little D8 receiver and whip antenna. The motors are new. They are 1606 3300 kV, and these are the newest Scimitar Avan props. These are 4-inch by 2.8 pitch, I believe. The quad also ships with 2.4 pitch. These definitely hurt the battery, but you'll see in the flight, these things are just insane. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It comes with, this is the battery, it comes with a little 4S850 pack with an XT30. So I got this guy bound up to my Tyrannus with the internal module on D8 mode. And just keep in mind the props do rotate inwards. So let's get the radio strapped here and set up to go. So hopefully you can tell right away, this thing is hovering at like 20% and just really quiet and efficient, really powerful setup. So you ready for this punch out? You ready? Might want to sit down for this. This thing, oh my gosh, let's do that again. Wow, this thing, when I first flew this guy line of sight, I did a punch out similar to that, and I lost it. I was not expecting that much performance from this thing in a 4-inch in general. Okay, did I forget? Yeah, let me start my timer while we have it. So this is the stock setup. Well, I had to change the radio channels, and I changed my rates. The rates they had on here were actually pretty aggressive. Definitely faster than I was used to. But in terms of the PIDs and the settings, everything is fully what they put on it. It's not stock Betaflight, it's their stock tune. So hopefully you can tell this thing is pretty quiet and just maneuvers insanely well. Whoa, that scared me. This thing is just, it's so light. It's so much quieter than a normal 5-inch. Let's try to bring it in and do a funnel here. This thing funnels like nobody's business. Little off axis there. Let me try again. There we go. And now that's my max roll rate, so that's all the faster a funnel I can do. But it has more than enough power. Oh no, no, no. Got it stuck in the grass there. Popped up, but I thought it was stuck, so I just disarmed and got flipped back over, but it's perfectly fine. Oh, I forgot to do a full speed pass. Almost planted it straight into the ground there. So yeah, the battery's obviously a little dead at this point, but as you could still tell, this thing is insanely fast for a 4-inch. Probably about 100 miles an hour at a full battery, at least. Like on these 2.8 pitch props, the aggressive props they include in the battery, or in the box, this thing just kicks, and yeah, I just pretty much killed the battery. See if we can turtle back up. Just use turtle mode to level it out. Hey, there we go. That's what I call lazy line of sight. So yeah, the battery, hopefully you can hear the beeper going crazy. The battery definitely does get hit pretty hard on these 2.8 pitch props, so should probably go ahead and bring it in yeah, that thing's not too happy. The battery is probably one of the weakest points on this, but just because battery tech isn't that great, and this thing is a monster for power. Motors are pretty dang hot, So these are definitely the powerhouse props that come with it. The 2.4 pitch are probably a lot better for just more general flying. So that's going to be it for the Emax BabyHawk R 4-inch line of sight. I'll also be publishing a full review with FPV and more of my thoughts on this after I fly it a little bit more. I'll publish it at the same time, so there'll be a link to that video in the description of this one, as well as a link to the website if you are interested in picking this guy up. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.